Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of the black screen or the phone screen turning off when calling or making a phone call or receiving a phone call. The important thing is the black screen problems we will solve in this video, but you have to follow the steps explained before broadcasting in the explanation. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video. Thank you very much to everyone who supports me. Let's go to the explanation. The first step we do is go to the settings. Then we search for the applications and then click on them. Then we click on the applications again. Here we will find all the applications. Now we will search for the phone services application. We will search for the application among the applications here, but if you do not find it, click on the three small dots above here, then click on Show System Processes. Click on Show System Processes. Then you search again for the phone services application and you will find it. As you can see, I found it. Click on it. Then click on Storage, then click on Clear Storage. Click on Delete Data and we delete the application data. Do not worry, it will not delete anything from your contacts, numbers and everything, but only this, the process will reset the phone services application to the default settings. And thus any problem you had related to a black screen or any other problem will be solved. I hope you liked the video. I hope you benefited from any suggestions or any inquiries. Write them in the comments and see you later.